Join me, guys, as we embark on a road trip to explore an African country in another African country. There is a country, Zimbabwe, in Nigeria, a place of merrymaking, a place of catching on fun. I would definitely encourage you guys to pay a visit to Zimbabwe Bush Bar, located in Nasarawa State, Nigeria. Stepping into Zimbabwe Bush Bar with my friend felt like entering a vibrant African village. The traditional artwork, the lively music takes me back to a rural setting. We had an amusing time at the Bush Bar. The cultural performances and the traditional decor made it a truly immersive experience. This place is a perfect blending of traditional and a modern African beauty, and the outdoor seating arrangement made it so easy for people to unwind. And I would definitely encourage you guys to pay a visit to this Zimbabwe Bush Bar to relax and unwind, especially during the weekend. They have one of the most affordable grilled fish, drinks, name it. We had an unforgettable, adventurous evening at Zimbabwe Bush Bar. The lively music, the delicious grilled fish, and the cold drink made for an incredible evening. I'm sure you guys will love to experience this incredible place. As we take a stroll through the vibrant Zimbabwe Bush Bar, the tantalizing aroma of grilled fish guided us to the grilled fish area. Then we placed our order and waited for the catfish to arrive. Finally, they presented us with the delicious grilled catfish, and it was cooked to perfection. We had a great fun. whether you're looking for where to relax, socialize, or simply a pleasant dining experience, Zimbabwe Bush Bar outdoor seating arrangement has got you covered. If you find this video interesting, kindly watch it till the end and leave a comment down below. Share this video, give this video a like. Thank you guys, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Guys, if you haven't joined our membership for exclusive content, I'm going to drop the link on the comment section below. Kindly click the link and join. Thank you. Bye. I'm telling you, another discussion I in the
Banka.